Hi kids, I hope everybody is fine. So this video is for class 10 student and we were solving sums from mensuration. Exercise 17.2 from M L Aggarwal. And we already did till sum number 13 sorry. You can see the description box for the previous video. In this video we'll start from sum number 14, exercise 17.2 based on cone, volume and surface area. Look at sum number 14 what they say. Find what length of canvas 2 meter in width is required to make a conical tent 20 meter in diameter and 42 meter in slant height, allowing 10% for folds and the stitching. Also find the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 80 per meter, which means you have a canvas in rectangular format here whose width is 2 meter, the length we don't know, and with this canvas will make a conical tent whose to make a conical tent 20 meter in diameter, which means the radius is 10 meter because the diameter is 20, and 42 meter in slant height, which means this is 42 meter. And they have also told one thing, allowing 10% for fold and the stitching. First of all, look over here. What will be the curved surface area? Because the area of this cloth canvas and the curved surface area plus the area for stitching and folding, they have told though 10% for folding and stitching. So CSA of this plus 10% of folding and stitching will add up to give the area of this canvas. Now CSA is what? Pi RL. Remember? So that's 22 by 7 multiplied by R is 10. L is 42. 7 1 times, 7 6 times. So that's 220 multiplied by 6. That's 0. 6 2 times 12. 6 2 times 12, 13. 1320 meters square. Now the area of this canvas has to be this only. No, sorry. They have told that 10% for fold and stitching. So area for fold and stitching will be 10% of 1320, which is 132 meters square. Now according to the problem, can I tell this area of the canvas, is equal to 1320, the curved surface area plus area for folding and stitching. Now area of canvas is what? Length into breadth, that's L into 2. This is 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, 4. So L is what? 1, 4, 5, 2 by 2, that's 7 to 6 meter. Yeah, that should be the length of the canvas. Got it? The curved surface area of the cone plus the area required for folding and stitching will be equal to, the sum of these two will be equal to the area of the canvas. And the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. So cost of 1 meter is rupees 80. Therefore cost of, this is 726 meter will be rupees 80 multiplied by 726. You do the calculation. This was the logic behind the sum. CSA plus this area will be equal to the area of the canvas, which is in the form of a rectangle. Okay? Sure. Now we'll do number 15. Now look at number 15. The perimeter of the base of a cone. The perimeter of the base of a cone, which is nothing but the circumference, isn't it? Is how much? 44 centimeter. And the slant height is 25 centimeter. Find the volume and the curved surface area of the cone. Very easy. Circumference is given. So can I write 2 pi r is 44? That's 2 into 22 by 7 multiplied by r is 44. Which means r is 44 multiplied by 7 by 2 into 22. Solve it. 2 pi r is 44. They have given the perimeter. Okay. The perimeter in this case is nothing but the circumference. This cancels out. This is 7 meter. So what will be volume? Achha, wait. So the radius is 7 meter. Slant height is 25. Let us calculate height. Pythagoras theorem. H square plus R square equals to L square. H square plus R square equals to L square because this is 90 degree. Okay. Now H square plus 7 square is equal to 25 square. So H square equals to 625 minus 49. So H square is 576. Am I correct? 9, 6, 15, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So H will be what? Plus minus root 576, which is plus minus 24. So we'll take positive 24. So height is 24 meter. Done. Now calculate the volume. Volume is pi r square h by 3. 1/3 pi r square h. So volume will be 22 by 7. R is what? 7 square. 7 into 7. Height is what? Height is 24 by 3. 3 1 time, 3 8 times, 7 7. So that's 22 multiplied by 7 into 8 meter cube. Okay, you solve it. This is your volume. And what they are asking? The curved surface area, very easy. Curved surface area is pi r L. L is the slant height. Just substitute the value 22 by 7 into 7 and L is how much? 25. 7 7 cancels out. This is 550 meter square. That is your CSA. Very simple. Just use the formula, you'll get the answer. It was very easy. From circumference you got radius, therefore radius you got the height by Pythagoras theorem, then the volume, then the CSA. Chalo, we'll do number 16 now. Look at number 16 what they have told. The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube and the area of the base, which is a circular region, which is pi r square, okay, that is equal to 616 centimeter square. Find the slant height. Number 2, total surface area of the cone. Very easy. Look, first of all, what is given to us? Volume is given to us. Volume is 1/3 pi r square h. This is given to us as 9856. And what is given to us? This is given to us, number 2. What is given to us? Pi r square. Area of the base, which means pi r square is 616. From here, I'll find r. So 22 by 7 into r square is 616. Just look carefully. So r square is 616 multiplied by 7 by 22. 11 2 times 11, 56 times. Okay. Then 2 1 time, 228 times. So r square is 28 multiplied by 7, which means r will be plus minus root 28 into 7. Just simplify this. Plus minus, this is 7 into 4 into 7. So we know the square root. 7 comes out and square root of 4 is 2. So r is 14 centimeter. Done. Simple. Pi r square equals to 616. You solve it. You get r as 14. Now look over here. Over here. Look carefully. Can I put, just look, 1/3 pi r square value we know, 616, into h is 9856. I can write like this, which means h will be 9856 multiplied by 3 by 616. Yes or no? Simplify this. 11, 56 times. Just now we solved it, na? Yeah. And 11 8s are 88. Then 10 is left. Then 9 times and then 6 times. Am I correct? Yeah. Then you cancel by 7. 7 8 times. 7 1s are 7, 19. 7 2s are 14. 5 and 6, 56. 7 8 times. Now 4 2 times 4 3 2, which means h is 48 centimeter. Got h. You got R. So what is slant height? We know L square equals to H square plus R square. So L square is 48 square plus 14 square. So L square is 48 square is how much? 88 times 64, 32, 38. 4 8 times 32, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 2304 plus 196. Done. So 2304 plus 196 is how much? This is 6 plus 4, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 3 plus 1, 4, 5. So what will be L? L will be plus minus root 2500. So L is nothing but plus minus 50 will take 50 centimeter. That is your slant height. Done. Very easy. Pi r square we got R, then 1/3 pi r square H, we got H over there. Then Pythagoras theorem, we got the slant height. You know, this is a slant height, this is your H, this is your R. So this is done. 50 centimeter. TSA, we know the formula. TSA is what? For the cone, pi r L, that is curved surface area, plus pi r square, area of the base. Solve it. Pi r L is how much? 22 by 7 into R is how much? R is 14 and slant height is 50 plus pi r square already given to us 616. Just simplify this. 7 1 times, 7 2 times. That's 2200 plus 616. That's how much? 2816 centimeter square. That is the total surface area. Simple. You just remember the formula. TSA is what? Curved surface area plus area of the base. Area of the base was actually given to us 616. Put it. And pi r square, pi r L is, R was there, L was there. Substitute and you'll get the answer. Sure. This was number 16. Let us try number 17 now. Look at number 17, what they have told. A right triangle with side 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So hypotenuse has to be the greatest one. 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Is revolved about the side 8 centimeter, which means it is revolved about the side 8 centimeter, which means when it is revolved, don't you think you get a right circular cone? Yes or no? In this right circular cone, if you look carefully, the radius becomes 6, the height becomes 8 and the slant height becomes 10 centimeter. Very easy. What they have asked. Find the volume and CSA of the cone so formed. Take pi as 3.14. Very easy. Volume is pi r square, which is 6 square into h, that is 8. 3.14 into 36 into 8 centimeter. Sorry. This is for cylinder. You're doing for cone. So 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 3.14 into r is 6 square. Height is 8. So 1/3 into 3.14 into 36 into 8. 3 1 times, 3 12 times. So that's 3.14 multiplied by 12. 8 times how much? 96 centimeter cube. Solve it. We'll get the answer. Very easy. Just put the value. Pi r square h by 3. Volume. CSA. CSA we know pi r L. So 3.14 into r is 6 into L is 10. Just solve this. You'll get the answer. Very easy. Just remember the height becomes 8 centimeter about which it is revolved. Chalo. We'll do the next one, number 18 now. Look at number 18. Very interesting. The height of the cone is 30 centimeter. They have told A, B, C. So AB is 30 centimeter. A small cone is cut off at the top by the plane parallel to its base. We cut a small cone, okay, at the top by the plane parallel to its base. If the volume if its volume, the volume of the smaller cone, be 1 by 27 of the volume of the given cone, bigger cone, at what height above the base is the section cut? Which means this length they are asking. Suppose this is DE. They are asking DB. At what length you cut? First of all, this is suppose small r, this is capital R, this is small h, and AB is capital H, which is 30, which is given to us. This is 90 degree. See, volume of bigger cone will be 1/3 pi capital R square into capital H, and volume of smaller cone 1/3 pi small r square into small h. Yes or no? Now look carefully. They have given volume of the smaller cone is 1 by 27 times volume of the bigger cone. They have given this 1 by 3 cancels out, pi cancels out. Now look carefully. I can write r square. Wait, I'll write like this, r square into h. I'll just put the value first, capital R square into 30, 10 times, 9 times. So can I write h equals to r square by small r square into 10 by 9? Can I write like this? Yes or no? This r square comes down, then capital R square by small r square into 10 by 9, which is capital R by small r whole square into 10 by 9. I can write like this. Now look carefully. Look at triangle ADE and triangle ABC. ADE and the bigger triangle ABC and ADE. Angle D is equal to angle B. Angle A is common, which means these two are similar. If these two are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional, which means can I write similarity? We have done angle property. AD, look carefully, by AB is equal to DE by BC. If they are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional to each other. AD by AB, DE by BC will be equal to AE by AC, but I don't require that, so I'm not writing this. Now AD is small h, AB is capital H, DE is small r, this is capital R. Now look carefully. Now H is, now instead of capital R by small r, can we put capital H by small h? Capital H by small h whole square into 10 by 9. Because of course this is r by r equals to capital H by small h. We can do like this. So this is h equals to, this is 30 square and this is h square into 10 by 9. So this becomes h cube equals to 30 square into 10 by 9. So that's h cube equals to 1000. So h is what? 10. When you solve it, 900 by 9 is 100. So that's 1000. 10 centimeter. So if this is 10 centimeter, BD is 30 minus 10, which means 20 centimeter. Which means 20 centimeter above the base you are cutting so that you get a cone. Yes or no? We have used similarity over here. Be careful. And this was given to us. So we got a relation. Okay? We got a relation over here. Then we got capital R by small r. Chalo. We'll do the next one, number 19 now. Now look at number 19. A semicircular lamina of radius 35 cm is folded so that the two bounding radii are joined together to form a cone, which means, look carefully. This was the semicircular lamina. This was 35 cm. AOB. AO and OB are joined. So it becomes a cone. OA. OA and OB are joined. Try to understand. So OA or OB becomes the slant height. Try to look carefully. And how much is this? This region. This region is pi r. Yes or no? For this semicircular lamina, this curved part is pi r. So this pi r means pi into 35. and this will be equal to the circumference of the base of the cone. Suppose this is R1. Then can I write 2 pi R1 is equal to pi into 35? Try to understand. The curved portion of this one, which is pi r, is equal to the circumference of the cone. Understood or not? That is 2 pi r1. Pi cancels, so r1 is 35 by 2, that is 17.5. So this is 17.5. Done? Centimeter. Very easy. This becomes the slant height. Be careful. The lateral surface area. LSA is what? Curved surface area, pi RL. Just put the value pi. R is how much? R is 17.5 and L is 35. So that's 22 by 7 into 17.5 into 35 centimeter square. Solve it. Just remember, when it is folded, the slant height becomes this. And this becomes this portion, which is pi r, because circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So half of it will be pi r. This pi r will be the circumference of the base of the cone, which is 2 pi r. R1 over here. Done? So in this video we'll do it till here, because this was the last sum for this exercise. In the next video we'll do the next exercise. Till then, take care and be safe, and if you like the video, do subscribe and share.